Hey, MotoVision family. Welcome back to your favorite channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into a beast of a car, the 2025 Shelby GT500. Known for its jaw-dropping performance and iconic design, this muscle car is a dream for enthusiasts. Stick around as we explore everything from its aggressive front look to the powerful engine, luxurious interior, and price. Let's rev it up. The front of the 2025 Shelby GT500 is a showstopper. It features a massive grille with the signature Cobra emblem, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that scream aggression. The redesigned front bumper and carbon fiber splitter enhance aerodynamics while giving it a mean stance on the road. Functional hood vents complete the look, showcasing its performance-oriented design. Under the hood, the 2025 GT500 packs a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that roars to life with an astounding 760 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the highway, the GT500 delivers unmatched power and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. The front seats are heavily bolstered Recaro sport seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, offering comfort and support during spirited drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel is trimmed in suede with a Cobra badge at its center, and paddle shifters give you full control of the powertrain. The dashboard features a digital cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest SONC4 infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving to the rear, the GT500 boasts an aggressive stance with quad exhaust tips, a prominent carbon fiber spoiler, and sleek LED taillights. The diffuser enhances aerodynamics, while the Shelby badging adds an extra touch of style. At night, the distinctive light signature ensures you'll turn heads wherever you go. The 2025 Shelby GT500 is a masterpiece of design. Its wide, muscular stance, sculpted lines, and optional racing stripes give it a commanding presence. The available carbon fiber track package adds lightweight wheels and a larger rear wing, further emphasizing its track-ready nature. This car doesn't just look fast, it's built to dominate. Now, let's talk about the cost. The 2025 Shelby GT500 starts at around $80,000. However, with optional packages like the carbon fiber track package, the price can climb to over $100,000. While it's a significant investment, the performance and exclusivity make it worth every penny. And that's a wrap on the 2025 Shelby GT500. What do you think about this muscle car icon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to MotoVision for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and stay adventurous.